umholi weqembu iDemocratic Alliance uthi sekuyiminyaka iPhini Lika Mengameli wakulelizwe liqhuba izenzo zenkohlakalo ezifaka phakathi ukunika izihlobo zalo umsebenzi.
This follows several allegations of corruption leveled against him which span a number of decades. These include an intricate web of nepotism and family patronage in which Mashatile is allegedly the ultimate beneficiary, with the most recent scandal being the purchase of a Constantian mansion by Mashatile's son-in-law, Nonkwelo, at a cost of 28.9 million by his company, which still allegedly owes the Gauteng Department of Human Settlements 7 million rand for the failed Alexandria housing project.
Eliqembu lithi uMengameli wezwe akakwazi ukuhlala angenzi lutho ngalolu daba ekubeni ngoLwesine olwedlule ngesikhathi ethula inkulumo eParliament wethembisa ukuqeda nyanga inkohlakalo kulelizwe.
He cannot continue to act as if nothing is wrong and everything is all right. This is a huge scandal that is enveloping the presidency. You cannot stand before the nation at a State of the Nation address and talk about combating corruption and getting to the bottom of graft and eliminating state capture in the country when the very person occupying the office across from you at the union buildings has himself got this serious cloud over his head.
Ihhovisi likaMengameli lithi uma bukhona ubufakazi ngalezi zinsolo ezibekwa uMashatile kuyobe sekwenziwa uphenyo. Kusenjalo, iDA inqobile ecaleni layo lokujutshwa kwamalungu eANC ezikhundleni zikahulumeni. Namhlanje inkantolo yomthethosisekelo ikhiphe umyalelo wokuthi iANC ihlinzeke iDA ngamarekhodi emhlangano lekomiti elijuba amalungu eqembu esikhundleni zikahulumeni.